Yes, 7th class. Good morning, students. Chapter 3rd. Question. Long answer type question. First question. Discuss how empire were built in the Sultanate period. Answer. The Delhi Sultanate was an Islamic empire based in Delhi that stretched over large part of the Indian subcontinent for 320 years. Five dynasties ruled over the Delhi Sultanate, यानी लगभग भारतीय उपमहाद्वीप पर 300 वर्ष शासन किया। इसमें 5 डायनेस्टी ने शासन किया। द दिल्ली सल्तनत subsequently the Mamluk dynasty 1206 to 1290, the Khalji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty 1320 to 1440, और खलजी डायनेस्टी 1291 to 1319, और तुगलक डायनेस्टी 1320 to 1440, the Sayyid dynasty 1440 to 1451, and the Lodi dynasty 1451 to 1526. It covered large swasthas of territory in modern day India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, as well as some part of southern Nepal. Second question. Discuss the reforms made by Alauddin Khilji. अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के द्वारा जो किए गए सुधार थे, उनमें अलाउद्दीन खिलजी मेंटेन स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हग स्टैंडिंग आर्मी, एक मजबूत और विशाल पैदल सेना थी। टू सेफ गार्ड हिज एम्पायर, यानी साम्राज्य को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए। ही इंट्रोड्यूस द सिस्टम ऑफ ब्रांडिंग ऑफ हॉर्स, और उसने अपनी सेना में घोड़ों को स्थान दिया। एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ डिस्क्रिप्टिव रजिस्टर ऑफ सोल्जर्स टू प्रिवेंट फॉल्स मास्टर्स, और उसने अपनी सेना का विवरणात्मक रजिस्टर में विवरण रखा सैनिकों का। प्रिवेंट फॉल्स मास्टर एंड करप्ट प्रैक्टिस, और उसने करप्ट भ्रष्टाचार का कोई स्थान नहीं था। अलाउद्दीन एब्लॉज द जागीर सिस्टम को समाप्त किया। एंड पेड द सैलरीज इन कैश, और नगद भुगतान की व्यवस्था की सैनिकों के लिए। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है डिस्कस द पोजीशन ऑफ द सुल्तान एंड नॉवेल्टी ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड, यानी सुल्तान और कुलीनों की स्थिति क्या थी सल्तनत काल में। नो सुल्तान could afford to offend the powerful nobles without endangering his own position. Some of these nobles were the heads of clan and consequently had a permanent following. following. It is these feelings which kept the novels together, and they obeyed the Sultan so long as they felt that he was performing his duties. Question fourth. Write about the administration and the Iqta system under the Sultanate rulers. इन सल्तनत काल के दौरान प्रशासन और इक्ता व्यवस्था क्या थी सल्तनत के शासकों की? द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आंसर फोर्थ, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ड्यूरिंग द दिल्ली सल्तनत वाज बेस्ड ऑन द laws of the Shariat or the law of Islam. Political, legal and military authority was vested in the Sultan. Thus, military system was the main factor in succession of throne. Iqta system. After the establishment of the Sultanate, Iqta system was introduced by the sultans. To begin with, the army commanders and nobles were given territories to administer and collect the revenue. The territories thus assigned were called Iqta, and their holders as Iqtadar or Mufti. Question fifth. What were the consequences of Muhammad bin Tughlaq's experiment? Explain in detail. Muhammad bin Tughlaq chronicles like Isami and Varni claimed that Muhammad bin Tughlaq was not religious because he associated with Jogs and Jain saints. Many important people of the Muslim community rebelled against him, but he overpowered them. Muhammad bin Tughlaq became highly unpopular with the people because he made decisions which caused disaffection. People were suspicious of his many projects. There were many rebellions during his reign, which resulted in great territorial losses. He died in 1351 CE. सी थोड़ा सा यहाँ से और लिख देंगे इसमें. The famous